Hello guys, today I will show you how to get Canva Pro free without paying anything. As you can see here, this is a free account, and if you stick to the end of this short video, I will demonstrate how to get free Canva Pro for free. Let's get started. So I'm going to go to this website. I have left the link in the description and pinned comment below. When you get to this website, you are going to see a list of links. You are going to click on any of these links to get Canva Pro for free. I will just choose link 2. You are going to be redirected to this page to complete human verification. Click on I am not a robot. You will see a list of tasks that take less than 2 minutes to complete to get your Canva Pro for free. I'm going to choose the one that says install Opera browser. You can choose any task that you want there. In this case, I will just download Opera, and it's now downloading, as you can see right here. So after completing your offer or task you would have chosen on the previous page, you'll be automatically redirected to this Canva page, as you can see right here. As you can see, my free account has been upgraded to a pro account by being added to Team. I now have access to premium features, which means I now have a Canva Pro account. To demonstrate this is now a pro account, I will open a new design. If you see right here, it says, as a Canva Pro subscriber, you get this premium template for free. I now have access to Canva Pro Elements. This is how you can get Canva Pro account for free. The link to the website I used is in the description. That's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like. Cheers.